We have saw that how we can convert our .ui file to .py file. Now let's learn the second way that we can load our UI file. So for this we are using UIC module. Now we are using our previously designed that we have, and then here you can see that we have our window UI.ui. So let me create a new Python file in here, and I'm going to just call it load UI.py. First we need to import some classes from PyQt6 Qt widgets module. We are going to import QApplication and also QWidget. Also we are going to import sys, and from PyQt6 we want to import UIC. Let's create a class. I'm going to just call it UI. Now this class extends from QWidget, and we can just create our init and also super method in here. So let's just remove these, okay, like this. And now in here we can use this UIC module for loading of our UI file. So there's a function or method that we can use that's called load UI. We can just say UIC.loadUI. First we need to give the name of the file, so that's window UI.ui, and after that we need to give the parent as a self. Now let's create the object of our Q application in here. We can just say sys.argv, and after that we need to create the object of this UI class, so we can just say UI. And now we need to show our window.show, and after that we need to just execute this app. So now if I run this, you can see that we have our Qt Designer in here.